Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you easy to make yet tasty chicken pulao recipe. Let us first take a look at the pre-preparation required. Here I have taken 500 grams of curry cut chicken which is washed and cleaned. Next I have 2 cups of basmati rice which needs to be soaked in water for about an hour. Then for the green masala, I have 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger sliced, 3 green chilies, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 4 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 small onion sliced. Here I have 3 onions sliced and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. First let's prepare the green masala. In a blender jar, add all the ingredients for the masala: ginger, garlic, green chilies, coriander leaves, onion, cloves and cinnamon stick. Add some water and blend to get a smooth paste. Add the green masala to the chicken. Add salt as required and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix the masala with the chicken and let it marinate for about half an hour. Heat a heavy bottom vessel on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add a bay leaf and let it fry for a few seconds. Now add the sliced onions. Fry the onions till they start turning brown. Now that the onions are fried, add the marinated chicken into it. Add water up to the level of chicken. I have added water in the marinated bowl and blender jar to get all the remaining masala. Stir the chicken well. Close the vessel with a lid and cook the chicken on high flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, once the gravy comes to a boil, lower the flame to medium and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep stirring in between. After about 25 minutes, the chicken has become tender and also the gravy has reduced. Now it's time to add the rice. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala and mix the rice with the gravy. For 2 cups of rice, I am adding 4.5 cups of hot water. Adjust the quantity of water as per the gravy in the chicken. Turn the flame to medium-high. Add salt as required for the rice. Remember, salt is already added in the chicken. Mix everything well. Close it with a lid and let the rice cook. When the rice is half cooked, add chopped coriander leaves. Mix it gently and let it cook. When the rice is 80% cooked, turn the flame to low. If your vessel is not heavy bottomed and if you think rice may stick to the bottom, heat a tawa and place your vessel on top of it. This step needs to be done when there is less water and rice still needs to be cooked. Once there is no water remaining and rice is cooked, you have chicken pulao ready. Kids will love this as it is not too spicy. Detailed written recipe link is available in description box. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.